Good morning, respected viewers, and good morning, respected ones. Hope of that you all are well. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Success with Ma'am Amara. Hope of that you enjoy my lecture regarding English grammar, English language, and motivation as well. Today we are going to discuss about rules to make passive sentences. Okay, before to start our learning, I want to share with you a beautiful quote of Twain, who was an American writer, humorist, and lecturer as well. He is very famous because of his wisdom quote and life lessons. He has shared a beautiful lesson with us. He has said that the secret of getting ahead is to start. The secret of getting ahead is to getting start. Okay, what a beautiful lesson he has said. That means to say that he wants to say that he teaches us a very beautiful lesson. He said that the first step is very difficult to start. Okay, the first step is very difficult to start, but whenever you are ready to start, you can do it. Okay, he want to say that if you start in a good way, if you have a passion to start one thing, then you can then one day you will success on it. Okay, we start our today learning. We start our today lesson. Today learning rules to make passive sentences. Okay, in our previous lecture, I also told about voice. Okay, you better know that if we talk about a voice, at that time you also keep in your mind that it can be passive voice, it can be active voice as well. Okay, today we are going to discuss about we try to learn about how we can make our sentences passive. Okay, rule 1. First rule is find the object in the active sentence. Okay, find the object in the active sentence. For example, Aryan writes a letter. Object is a letter. Okay, means to say, in first rule you also keep in mind that first you need to find the object. Okay, object is very important to make the passive sentence. For example, Aryan writes a letter. In this sentence, a letter is over object. Okay, and second rule is make the object the new subject. Okay, make the object the new subject, means to say, in second rule you also keep in your mind that first you find the object, then you turn object into the subject. Okay, means to say, new subject is over a letter. A letter is over was over object, and in this second rule you also make a letter is over turn into the new subject. Okay, and third rule is use the correct helping verb. Okay, helping verb like that is, MR, was, were, will, be. Okay, these all are helping verb and you need to correct use. Okay, means to say, in third rule you also keep in mind that use the correct helping verb. Okay, and helping verb is used according to our new subject as well. Okay, a letter is. Okay, means to say, you also use is is over appropriate helping verb with a letter, because a letter is, okay, a letter always take is helping verb, okay. And fourth rule is change the main verb into V3, okay, change the main verb into V3, like that third form, okay. For example, if you have the form of verb write, you also turn into the V3. V3 is written, okay. For example, a letter is written, a letter is written. Rule number 5, you need to add by plus subject. For example, we try to understand with a good example. A letter is written by Aryan, okay. Means to say, a letter, you also see or observe this example. Aryan writes a letter, okay. This is our active sentence, and we try to turn into the passive, okay. A letter is written by Aryan, okay. These all are 5 rules to make passive. I hope of that you understand it, and hope of that you understand all these simple rules to make passive voice. I hope of that you understand it, hope of that you enjoy it. I have one humble request to you, that dear viewers, please subscribe my channel, and please share my lecture with all your good friends. Thank you so much.